going ice fishing. Nice to have a little snow on the roads. I know some people tell you not to do this, but it is easy to forget how cold it gets when the strong wind is blowing over the ice. It's only 24 degrees right now, but I don't know, 15-mile-an-hour winds just constantly blowing out there. Made me think, well, this was a stupid glove to wear. We'll overcome. I got pockets. This is gonna be a miserable failure of a trip, I can tell already. I'm dealing with GoPro batteries that will hold a charge for about 8 minutes. I've got a whole battery backup system I've packed on a sled. And then on top of that, I got all the stuff for fishing. Yeah, nothing could go wrong. Ready to go? Ready to go? Come here, boy. Hey, hey, you smell something? You smell something, don't you? And it's not, it's dog turd. Hey, cut that out. Come here. Come here, Snowy Nose. Come here. Goes up, good boy. Oh, you like the snow. Cheers. I haven't a clue how strong the wind is, but it feels nippy. And then, look at that redneck mess. Whoops. Sweet. So I'm gonna try this hole first. I'm about 15 feet away from this dock over here. Kind of guessing for starters. I know the rough shape of the bottom of the lake, but I like to usually just fish a spot that's not real far out on the lake till I get comfortable. I might move closer to the dock here in a minute and see if I can pull something out from underneath it, but for starters, I drilled a test hole. I'm just gonna try fishing. All right. It's really delightful today. It's going to turn into quite a lovely afternoon. Let's give this a shot right here in front of the dock. Next move we make is going to be a bigger move. We're going to cover some ground. But I want to try this right here. Are you hurting? Are you hurting? Your feet hurting or something? You need to go be in the truck. You pansy. I can't believe it. He's whining like a little girl here. He's got his tail under his legs. He's getting too cold. Kind of a scary German Shepherd are you? Well, I might not enjoy a seat if I got one, huh? I don't think this is the side of the lake I want to be fishing on anyway. Maybe we'll go that way. Nah, nothing here. Time to move on. Let's find some shelter. So I'm behind some evergreens over here. You can tell just by the shape of the snow. I'm gonna get a lot more kindness from the wind here. A lot of times ice fishing is a game of 20 feet. You know, over here we might be catching, over here we're not. So try a few spots. Can I make a fishing video if I don't catch any fish? Won't be the first time. It's my Mossberg 6-hole ice auger. Get yours today. Weather's much nicer over here. Ice fishing blows sometimes. Fishing a lake, you know, usually helps make a little insurance policy, but the only way you get to know a lake is by doing this. Well, except for the shotgun part, most people don't do that. Jiggy, jiggy, jiggy. Getting jiggy with it. No, 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 no. Hey, Big Willie style. Jig it real slow. When it ain't going your way, it's time to slow down. I've tried a lot of holes, but now it's time to try one hole for a little bit. I really think I'm in a pretty solid spot here. Outside of moving around 30 within this 20-foot range, I don't see that I'm going to be getting anything that has a really more desirable place for the fish to be than here. I mean, I could try the absolute deepest point out in the center near so that's a high wall. If I come back this way maybe 20-30 feet, I'll probably be at the deepest point. This will be the shallow all the way over to that wall where it's a steep wall. This is a strip mine. Yeah, the drag line would have set on this side and it'd drop the bucket down over there on that side, which is why you have a hard line, a hard wall that goes straight down, and then it drags it back this way, which is the shallow side. And then it makes the spills as it moves down. I think we're gonna try another hole. Let's go like 10 feet that way. Sure is easier than drilling them. So how to ice fish Indiana? I really thought I'd lay into them a little quicker out here, but I've actually never even fished this lake before, not even in the spring. So Don's home. He's gonna message me any second and say, "Are you shooting holes in the ice out there?" I'll be like, "No, why?" If you fish this long and you still don't have any fish, and you have a good friend with a house up on the hill and all this beautiful white snow, there's only really one thing you can do. Hope they can see it from the window. I got a good start. It's a new lake. I got to do some fishing today, but I didn't catch any fish. I did get to draw a dick in the ice, so that was fun. But I'm gonna go up and see if Don has some whiskey and enjoy hanging out with my friend for a little bit. For this, maybe I'll get to come out in the next couple days and give this a little more time out here. I got out here just a pinch late today. I'm already losing light. And generally, around noon is when the fish bite the best during this time of year. Not always, but I've only had one bite the whole time I was out here. I'm good. I'm solid at this point that I'm done fishing. It's pretty damn cold. All right, hopefully I get another chance to get out here. If I do, I'll bring the cameras. Have a great day. Come on, big turkey. You wanna come out? Come on. I'll help you out. There you go. Been hiding in the truck the whole time. I've been out there suffering. You're supposed to be there. Oh.